Gena Pedi-Scrub Gel 32 ounces. 32 ounces. Exfoliating gel formulated with Sea Kelp and Aloe. Gena Pedi-Scrub Gel 8.5 fluid ounces. 8.5 ounces. Exfoliating gel formulated with Sea Kelp and Aloe. Perfect for pedicures. Charmzone Labonita Mochi Jjondeuk Scrub 50 ml. How to use: after washing, apply desired amount onto face, focusing on nose area while avoiding eye and mouth areas. After 30-second massage softly, then wash off with lukewarm water. All natural, vegan lip scrub Coco-licious Luscious Lip. Love this scrub. It does come solidified, so what I do is rub my finger in it to loosen some of the scrub. It also doesn't stick very well to lips, so I put on some chapstick and put some scrub over it. After I scrub it in, I'm able to kick it off. Tastes good enough to do throughout the day. Lips are a lot smoother. Bergman Kelly Exfoliating Sisal Back Scrubber and Pad. This is a great set for the price. It contains 2 suction cups for hanging the scrubbers in your shower, 2 scrubber pads, and 2 back scrubber pads. I have been using one of the sets for the last week. I debated whether to keep the other set for future use or to share. I decided to share with a good friend of mine who loves her baths and showers. This is a perfect set for sharing since you get 2 of everything. To be truthful, the suction cups do not hold up in my shower, not sure why. The scrubbing pad works great. I have used it with both bar soap and shower gel. I love the exfoliation back scrubber. It feels great and is a great length, so you don't have to work that hard. Pros: you get 2 of everything, an extra set for future use, or one for sharing. Each scrubber feels great on your skin. Perfect for exfoliating. Cons: suction cups do not work. The back scrubber has kind of lost its shape, but it still works perfectly well. All in all, a great set for the price. I received this product at a discount or free in exchange for an honest and unbiased review. My opinions are my own and are not influenced in any way by the discount given to review the product. I purchase products often by using the Amazon review system and rely on the reviews to make educated decisions on my purchases. Korean Natural 5 Seeds Apple Water Brightening Scrub. 5 seeds powder will remove your skin's dirt and sebum. Apple water will make your skin bright and shiny. Soft bubble will do as a scrub gel and cleansing foam.